So our next song would be Mulan and its Reflection, and the original female version of it is sung by Lea Salom. Sana makakayo ko ito. Shout out po sa mga taga-Japan. Because Mulan is actually originated from Japan. It's a Japanese story. It's a female warrior. Look at me. I'll never pass for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see that if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Who is that perfect bride? It's not me, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside? How I pray that time will come, I can free myself from their expectations. On the day I'll discover some way to be myself and to make my family proud. They want a docile man. No one knows who I am. Must there be a secret me I'm forced to hide? Must I pretend that I hide someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? When will my reflection show who I am inside? So that's it. Shout out from the Japan, Tokyo, Japan, wherever it is. Wherever it is.